Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to get new emojis on iPhone. So the first way to do it is just by going to your settings, then go to general, then software update, and make sure that you are on the latest update of iPhone so that you will have all the updated emojis. And the second way to do it, if you have already the latest version of iPhone, is by going to general again, go to keyboard, go to the keyboards at the very top, tap on the emoji right here, or tap on edit, then remove emoji. We're just going to remove this and reinstall it to make sure that we have the latest update on the emojis. By doing so, just tap on the add new keyboard and tap on emoji right here, and it will add it again. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.